Have you ever heard of growing vegetables in water and herbs? Well, I've heard about the herbs, but not the vegetables. So I decided to try it, and here's what happened. So I'm starting with the herbs. The basil, it looks okay, really. It's probably enough just to add a little basil to your dish. The sage, it did really good. I've tried it before and really haven't had much luck, but it's not rooted, but it's looking healthy. And then the rosemary looks good. It's even started to have a root. The lemon balm, I've gone through 3 others, and this one seems to be hanging on. It doesn't look great, but I wouldn't be surprised if I got lemon balm to grow. Stevia, this is probably my 4th or 5th, and it doesn't look great. It probably won't make it. The thyme looks good. Parsley, it died. Now the vegetables. This is the purple cabbage. It's still alive. Doesn't look great. The lettuce is pretty wilty, but it doesn't look too bad. The beets really look kind of bad. The bok choy really surprised me. It's doing pretty good, and it's got a lot of roots. So it'll be kind of interesting to see what happens with that. And then scallions, and they're living. So based on this test, the vegetables didn't do very well, and even if they did, I really don't think it would be near enough to feed one person, let alone 2. So I think I'm going to stick with my idea to purchase a hydroponics system to grow some vegetables inside. The herbs, however, they did okay, and I'll probably just choose to grow some of them in water. Be sure to click on subscribe for the next experiment.